Hi, back again. So we'll just come directly to that place where we were, and let's see what was there. So I was telling you how archaeologists have found some things of hunters gatherers made and used. It is likely that people made and used tools of stone, wood, bone. These were the basic things which they got. Wood, they have the jungle, they have the trees, they have wood. Stones, we had, of which stone tools have survived best because they don't get spoiled, and stone takes time to wear off because there is no water involved in it, and either it gets buried, but if there's constant water brushing over a stone, it finishes off. That's how caves also form in the seas, on the beach sides, and deep water caves are also formed because of constant water and erosion of the stone. So because stone is also made up of sand and it gets accumulated, so we'll not go into that. So some of these stone tools were used to cut meat and bone. Okay, now I'll just go back to stone. Stone, people used to sleep on stones, use stones. We are also using stones. We use that stone, for we had this mixie, but still in some homes we have this stone. We do that masala thing. We make the paste for all the ingredients. Your mother does that, or the people who cook for you at home do that. I also sometimes use it in Kolkata. So that is stone used to crush masalas and ingredients for your curries and for your food, right? Then the South Indians use that to make their dosa and paste their rice in it also. Stone. Gujarat people use it for making the chili powder, isn't it? And rice was also hit in that stone with that wooden thing, and from that grains rice used to come out, right? Stones which are still used. We live in a house, we have stones. In your kitchen you have, your mom has your slabs of that granite stones in your kitchen. We have tiles in your bathroom, you have tiles on the floor, you have room tiles, you have wall tiles, you have marble terrace, you have this floor, that floor, all are stones. They were stones at that time, they were unpolished, these are polished. So we are saying nothing has changed, we are only developing. Progress is happening. Basic information I am giving you. Okay. Some of these stone tools were used to cut meat and bone. So they used to make it sharp to cut meat and bone. Scrape bark from the trees is to skin a tree. Okay, and hides. What are hides? Animal skin. When you see the mutton cut in the shop, you know how they take off the skin of the goat. So that is called hides. The skin of the goat are called hides. Chop fruits and cut roots. Some may have been attached to handles of bone or wood to make spears and arrows for hunting. Other tools were used to chop wood, which was used as firewood. Wood was also used to make hut and tools. You understand? So, stone was used to cut, to chop, to use it. Wood was used for fire and for making handles, for making bow and arrows. So they were also progressing. First they had spears with stones fitted on it. They used to put poison and hit the animals. The animals used to get shot. They used to do that fishing in the water by throwing their spears inside, and hunting for birds. So the wooden handles were not so much found, but the stone handles were found, and wood was used to make huts and tools, and for fire, to keep them warm, at the same time to not let wild animals attack them, because animals are afraid of fire, they don't come in front. And then they started slowly making houses with this wood, and they were making huts with wood all around, and top they were making thatch roofs and all. So this is how it was used. Okay, this is the information we get. For now, some tools were also used for digging the ground to collect edible roots, like stitching clothes made out of animal skin. Stitching clothes out of animal skin, you have to make a hole in it. Have you seen a cobbler, how they use that pin to put it in and they stitch your shoes? That is also leather. So the skin of animal skins were worn by people before also, so they had to make holes and put twines inside it from the jungle, or grass, tie it up with grass, or whatever, we didn't know, but that's how the things happened during that time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it till here, and I don't want to put much pressure, so you go through this, and on Tuesday I guess we'll be on the same page, so you won't have a problem. Okay guys, so till then, make sure you don't waste too much of your time being outside, and please don't be outside, be at home, play on your terrace, be with your family, enjoy your home food, and study and do whatever you want after you finish your studies. Okay, but just give some time to it, just be in touch with it, it's going to be good for you. It's not an what do you say, it's not an order, but yes, it will be really good for you if you be in touch with that. So guys, take care, and be happy, keep smiling. I miss you guys. I hope we see you soon. Bye bye, god bless.